In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my braid out results. I've been rocking my natural hair for quite a while now, and I just wanted to document and put out there on YouTube the results I get from doing a braid out. I know there are plenty of videos out there, but of course everybody does their hair differently, so I just wanted to share the results I get from my braid outs because somebody out there watching the video may have a similar hair texture like I do. And I will also film a video if you guys want of me actually braiding my hair, and I can show you the products I use. And that can be my next video if you all comment down below and let me know. You want to make sure that you are covering and protecting your hair, because with my hair texture, I need a lot of moisture. My hair needs moisture to grow and to retain length. So in order to prevent breakage at night, I just went to my local beauty supply store, Target, Walmart, and you purchase a satin scarf or a bonnet. Whichever one you prefer. My preference is a satin scarf. And what I like to do is just literally tie it around my hair like so. I'll make sure all my braids are within the cap. So girl, you are up, you have gotten your beauty sleep, and now it's time to untake your braids. So in the morning time, I literally take the scarf off, and I can just feel a difference. I can tell that my hair is nice and juicy, and the oils and the moisturizers that I used the night before are still in my hair. Now, in the morning time, I do not have a big preference on the type of oil I use to undo my braids, but I definitely use some type of oil because the oil will prevent your hair from frizzing up. So this one I purchased from Target. This one in particular is called the Argan Oil of Morocco. Renewing Argan Oil. I was also given this by my aunt. Shout out to you, you know who you are. And it's called the Pure Regrowth Serum by CurlMix. And I really do like this oil. But for the sake of the video, I'll be using the one purchased from Target. I literally take about this much oil, this much, and I just make sure that every braid is going to be covered in my oil. What we're going to do is literally unravel the hair, and then once you have the braid like so, there are 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3. I literally just unravel it, and it unravels itself like this. And then you just separate it nice and slowly, and you move on to the next section. Now, another trick that I like to do to make sure that, well, my hair is dry because it dried overnight, but I like to take a blow dryer and to stretch my hair so I can get a lot of length with my braid out. So I got my blow dryer nice and ready for y'all. See, I came prepared, and I'm going to use warm heat. I like doing that method because I believe it works. So I definitely would try doing that method as well before you undo your braids. Now, natural hair is not easy, but once you get your method down of your nightly routine, then it becomes much easier. And my nightly routine is literally braiding my hair. My hair has grown so much since I've been doing my braid outs, and no heat, no direct heat. So right now, as you can tell, I'm not really separating anything yet because I'll do that once the braids have all been taken out. But yeah, it can be hard in the beginning, but once you get the products you like to use on your hair, it's pretty much easy. It's really easy. Okay. Now I'm gonna move to this side here. I like rocking a side part, by the way. Not really a middle part type of girl. Side or the 4C texture, I think. And I like my hair. I love my hair. So when I say that, I just feel like it feels it. My hair feels it, and it's just been growing and growing and growing away. Everything takes time. It really does take time. So I can compare my hair journey and trying to retain length to schoolwork. Some people may naturally just get school, but some people, you know, have to study and have study sessions. With that, when you study and you read and you learn, you become more knowledgeable about it and it becomes easier to understand. So I have to compare that to my natural hair. When I get to learn my natural hair over time and what I can do to retain the moisture and the length, that's when I can see the results. So going back to economics, when you study and you put in that time to understand what you're researching and reading about, it pays off when you have that final exam. So it does take time. I want to do a no heat challenge for 5 to 6 months, and I think I'll be able to do it. I don't want to say I think, I know I'll be able to do it. I know I'll be able to do no heat. And what's your favorite natural hairstyle that you like to rock? Some people love to do twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes. So now that all my braids are out, I'm going to go back in with the blow dryer and just stretch my hair one last time. These are the results I have so far. As you can tell, my hair is nice and fluffy. It's nice and light, and I like the volume. So what I'll do for that is just start picking at the roots like this. Not at the, just at the roots now, y'all. Well, as you can see, I have a nice volume, and you can see just how healthy and moisturized my hair looks because it is healthy and moisturized. Literally, to just add a final touch to the look, I take my edge control. This one is by Ebin, and I really do like this product. Yeah. this is how my hair is looking. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. The message that I hope that you got from today's video is making sure that you love and learn to love your natural hair. Your natural hair is beautiful. It's not meant for our hair to be straight down our back. We have volume in our hair. This is what people buy, okay? People purchase big hair like that. So if you naturally have it, girl, you're blessed. I like big hair, so this is right up my alley. I highly recommend, if you have my type of hair texture, or any hair texture for that matter, test, trial and error. It's all about testing new things. And for me, I like the braid outs and I like how it looks on me. You can tell that I'm kind of feeling myself right now, y'all. I'm kind of feeling myself. But that's how you want to go out in the world, with confidence. You are your own self-motivator and your confidence booster. You shouldn't have to hear that from anybody else. You should hear it from you first. It's your girl Terry Sluts, and I am checking out. Bye.